Hey, this is June. Welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing Twsbi Eco fountain pen. It's the first time I'm using the Twsbi, so let's see it together. I bought their new version, Glow. Top cap and the bottom knob parts. It glows in the dark after when it's, exposed on enough light. So this is how it looks. It's a very large ink capacity. So the nib also looks pretty enough, I guess. It's not that bad. Okay, so why don't we disassemble this? So first we have to use this red plastic wrench. Open the back knob. And push the wrench inside. Maybe close it. And then you have to turn it counterclockwise. And then it comes out. The nib is quite easy. You just use the kitchen towel and then hold the nib and the feet and then just take it out. Then voila, it came out pretty easily. So I guess it's quite easy to disassemble. So let's repack the whole thing again. Okay, so the nib part is quite easy. It just goes in. Okay. So we put the wrench back in. So now clockwise. This is the way. When assembling the back part, I think you just have to make sure there should be a little bit of gap in here when it's like fully closed, or else it will have like you won't like assemble it back completely. So you have to make sure you leave a little bit of gap over here when this is when the knob is fully closed. Yeah, assembling, disassembling, I think it's quite good. If you try it like 1 or 2 times, I think you'll figure it out, like how to do it. I think the instructions need to be slightly more friendly, I'm guessing. They don't say anything about like how much gap we should have it on here. But I do like the package design. It's very neat. It's a very my style, I would say. So I'll use Fuyu Shogun from Pilot Iroshizuku. So very, very, very extra fine, super fine. Writing it backward, it also works. It's pretty smooth, I would say. It does have a little bit of feedback, scratching sound, but I'm guessing because it's very extra fine, the one that I have, that's why. Maybe if you buy the M size or B size, it won't have this kind of scratching sound, I'm guessing. The writing experience is quite good. It's pretty excellent for $50 fountain pen. But not sure if I should say feedback, but it feels like there's something that's slightly holding me back from writing. I think I felt something similar from Pilot Custom Lines, I think. But it's pretty pleasant. It's a very nice writing experience right now. It's also quite very smooth. And the nib is quite hard. Of course, because it's steel, but it feels very very sturdy, I would say. It's very highly recommended, I think. And also the large ink capacity is also a strength point. Okay, so the size comparison, I'll bring some from other companies. I have Lamy, Montblanc, Pelican, Platinum, maybe Kaweco. So this is about the size. I guess about Lamy, but slightly thicker. This is 146 and this is M605. I think about Lamy size, but slightly thicker, a little bit more to the Mont Blanc when it comes to the diameter. So the size is about this. So now I want to test the glowing effect. Super cool. I'm absolutely liking this pen. Alright, so the glowing effect does work. Yep, totally recommendable.